So we've had some interesting changes to the program. I think the one that stands out is our partnership with CADEF in Nigeria, which has opened up a new space for us in our cohorts.
And that's really an exciting partnership because it has allowed us to expand our reach beyond where we have had geographical presence. So we started our pilot of the program in Kenya, but because of the interest from all across the continent, we had to expand how we allow other young people who are aspiring to be changemakers to have an audience and a place through which they could also participate into the program. And so therefore, we're so excited about the partnership with CADEF and the many others on the pipeline that we look forward to continuing to nurture. And so therefore, we want to see just how do we keep scaling our reach, and art present us an opportunity to do that very well.
And just speaking on our CADEF, I think a big thing that made CADEF work was also the platform that we built. Because without the platform, we couldn't be able to reach this number of people and have a way to just track everything that they're doing. So I think another big thing that we had to change here is the platform itself. And I don't know, what do you think about the platform?
Well, that's been a wonderful experience watching where you start from just piloting with a small group of people and delivering a program without necessarily automating your processes. But then when you start to scale, the need and the demand for technology becomes imminent. And so therefore it became evident that we had to figure out how do we adopt technology to allow us to expand our reach. Starting with geographical presence, which was Kenya, but then all across, again, the borders and across the continent. And that's why then we built our own platform that enables us to do that. But also to add to that is that it's not just that we built a platform because we built the platform, we built actually an internal capacity to develop and deliver technology at scale that enables entrepreneurial education scaling across the continent. Yeah.
And I think the last big thing that I would say was a big change, we've also figured a way to get mentors who can work with us across different sectors. Because I think for all this works together, we need people who actually understand the industry. We need people who have the expertise and the experience. And I think one thing we've really figured out throughout the cohorts is how to get mentors who can work with these young people, skill them, give them that experience and work with them as they're building their startup. So I think with that also we found a way to knock it and just get the right mentors to our program.
I couldn't agree more with you, Kevin, because you and I both know the importance of mentorship. Having had illustrious, career of starting and scaling companies ourselves. And so we do know that firsthand how important it is to have mentorship throughout the journey. And therefore, we are very, very determined and dedicated to continue to expand our network of mentors. And it's not just mentors for the sake of mentors, but these are experts who are domain experts within their specific industries or sectors, in that sense, if I may put it that way. And I think for us, that's a unique capability that we have, is that, when we talk about mentors, we know that we have mentors who have skills in engineering, skills in matters business development, skills in matters strategy. And so it's a very expansive network of mentors that we are very excited about seeing how that will be deployed to enable us to continue to unlock entrepreneurial potential all across the continent.